Alright guys, I got my helmet on, so it might be a little bit muffled. I'm going to try and load up my 570 into the back of my Ram 1500. It also has RamBoxes. So let's see if it fits. It also has rails on the side. I had to take off the plastic attachments, but we're gonna see if it fits. A little tight, but it fits. I always put the brake on, put it in park, turn it off, and let's see if we're in. So you can see we actually have a little bit of room on that side and less room on that side, so I was off a little bit. The back tire is on, but it fits here, so it doesn't, no big deal, and pretty sweet. All right, we're gonna tie this down. All right guys, I'm recording my GoPro and I don't have the microphone on it, so we'll see. But hey, I just loaded up the Sportsman 570 into my Ram 1500 with RamBoxes. It's worried that it wasn't gonna fit. As you can see on this side, I got more than enough room. You guys can see that. On the other side, I'm a little bit tighter because I didn't bring it up perfectly. Like my Mario blanket. A little bit tighter on this side. See how close the front wheel is. So I can't really turn it, but it fits. The plastic pieces, I'll show you. I pulled those off. I pulled these off because they would have been that much further sticking out from the rail. And they would fit. You have to slide the end caps off basically underneath. You push up and you push up this clip and you can just pull them out. I don't know if you guys saw that, maybe I'll show you later. Pretty sweet though, I'm excited. I can move it up a little bit further if I needed to, but I think I'm all right. Now I gotta just make sure I can tie it down, but you can see the tie down over there, which is in front. I should be able to get to that no problem. All right, let's tie it down.